Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric and this is a tutorial in a series of many where I will teach you how to do web development. So if you stick along and subscribe, you'll learn how to do websites much like this one that features blogging with databases, jQuery sliding menus, PHP and CSS animations and etc. So, but that's not gonna be in this tutorial. This tutorial is all about getting started and setting up a basic, very basic page. The first thing we want to do when we make a page is to get the right encoding. So the way I like to do this is to right click, new, text document, and you can name this whatever you want, but I like to call mine index.html, and the extension is important for this to work. Yes. Now open this in Notepad, and we don't want to edit this file, we just want to get the right encoding, so go to File, Save As, and here where it says encoding, choose UTF-8, and where it says save as type, choose all files, and then save over your index.html. Now close Notepad. Now we want to get started coding, so let's open this in our favorite text editor. My favorite is Komodo Edit, and I strongly recommend it, so the link will be in the description to where you can download this program. This is our file opened in Komodo Edit. The first thing we want to do is to declare the document type. To do this, you start by typing this triangle, which is either called less than or equal sign, I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna call it triangle, then an exclamation mark, and write doc type. And we want to use HTML5, so we just write HTML. Before HTML5, the doc type declaration could look something like this. And this is the doc type declaration for HTML 4.001. Yeah, whatever. We don't need to use this complicated stuff anymore because HTML5 is here. Now we want to use our first tag, and a tag is basically an opening triangle, something, closing triangle, opening triangle, and then a slash, something, and closing triangle, and between this is inside the tag. So this is called the closing tag, and this is the start tag, whatever. For example, this is a tag which will bold this text and make it fat. The first tag we want to use is the HTML tag, which tells the browser that this is HTML and not this, because this is not HTML code. This is just a line to tell the browser which doc type this document is. Next we want to use the head tag, and that's everything that will be loaded first. For example, the title, which is this, and the style sheets, the JavaScripts, etc. So the first tag we want to put inside the head tag is the meta tag, which contains information about the website, such as char set, language, etc. But we just want to set char sets for today, and we encoded this to be UTF-8, so we want to stick with that. And this tag ends like this, slash closing triangle, Yeah, because it doesn't really make any sense if I had a slash meta here, because what would I put here? What would I put here? Nothing. That's why we don't have a closing tag, just a slash. Same for the image tag, etc, etc. Now we want to use the title tag to specify a title for a site. Once again, the title is this thing right here. I'm gonna choose chickens. And under the head tag we want to use the body tag, and the body is basically this area right here, everything under this bar. So content goes here. And now it's time to look at what we've done. So navigate to your file, right click it, open with, and choose your desired web browser. And look at this. Chicken as the title and content goes here in the body. Perfect. Now I want to explain why we did the encoding. So let me show you an example. I'm gonna wrap a title in the bold tag. This is a foreign language, and let's type something in Swedish. Far lamm. And as you can see, this sentence contains some crazy foreign letters. Example would be that someone would use this in a blog comment or something like that, and it would look like it would not display properly. And now you think, I'm not gonna use a blog and I'm not gonna write my code, my page in Swedish. Why do I need this encoding? Yeah, because other crazy symbols also look strange, like, let me do some breaks. This is not a question mark. And as you can see, this is not a question mark. Let's make a duplicate but with the wrong encoding. I'm just gonna navigate to where I have the other site. Tutorials, getting started, and let's call this gold.html. Save. Now I know that this does not have the right encoding, but I'm gonna copy this code, put it inside here, and as you can see, we have declared that this has the encoding UTF-8, but we are lying. Let's see what happens. This looks good. We might have to put a break here to make it look even better. Yeah, we put a break after this semicolon. This is a foreign language and everything is displaying properly, and this is displaying properly also. Let's visit our gold page, gold.html. As you can see, there are question marks all over the place. This is not a question mark, and then it is. It's a disaster. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. All comments are greatly appreciated. You can ask any question, and a thumbs up is also appreciated. And next time we'll be doing CSS styling, so stick with me, and I'll see you next time.